Do you know what the inside layout of this beautiful tiny house? In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. The total area I have taken is width is 20 feet in meter 6 meter and the length is 16 feet 4 inches in meter 5 meter. In the front we have door here. After that we'll go inside. So we have living plus kitchen come dining area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, chair arrangement, tea table arrangement, also TV unit on the front wall, and we have a large size window for ventilation and light purpose. And also inside we have kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement, and we have dining counter with 2 chairs and 2 large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this area. If you go on the left side, so we have bedroom here. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement, and also a study table with chair and 2 large size window for ventilation and light purpose. And if you go inside, so we have 2 feet 6 inches wide wash area. You can see here the wash basin, and on the left side we have washroom plus water closet. You can see here the water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.